Did you know that Amur leopards are probably the rarest big cat in the world? Amur leopards are a subspecies of leopards that have adapted to live in the forests and mountains of eastern Russia and northern China. They're named after the Amur River, which flows along the border of the two countries right where the leopard population is concentrated. Listed as critically endangered since 1996 due to poaching and deforestation, in 2022, 125 adult Amur leopards were identified in Russia and 46 in China. This is actually an increase, as a few years prior, less than 100 were identified in the wild, indicating that the Amur leopard population seems to be stable and increasing.